Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the quickest path: Office Online in a browser, the free mobile app, or a time-limited desktop trial. Sign into or create a Microsoft account now. This unlocks free web editing and mobile features. Once signed in, make sure autosave is enabled for cloud files so you won't lose work. If you prefer desktop, download the trial and install with standard settings. This gets you editing immediately, while we move on to using full features without paying. Once done signing in, open Word Online and start a document. Here you access styles, templates, and basic image tools for free. If you need mobile access, install the Word app. You can edit, review, and use voice dictation without subscription while syncing to OneDrive. For advanced desktop-only features, make sure to export or keep documents in. DocX so you can open them in LibreOffice or Google Docs. This provides spell check, advanced layout, and macro-free editing without paying. You finish by saving your file to OneDrive so version history and cross-device editing are available. This avoids licensing prompts. If you encounter locked premium tools, switch to LibreOffice or Google Docs for those features, then re-import to Word-compatible format. If something fails, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, clear your browser cache, or check that a trial hasn't expired. As a final tip, if a file is read-only, make a copy, rename it, and reopen to regain full edit control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.